You're running a race, you're struggling with your personal thing, anything, just keep on moving, don't give up. Things will come with time. No matter how long it will take, but things will come. My name is Geetika. I'm 37 years old. I'm from UP. I work as a fitness trainer. I train people how they can spend their life with, I can say, with the quality. This was my first year of participation. I was not expecting the podium finish. Here, I was here just to see what Yoda race is, how it feels when you compete in Yoda race. But I'm over the moon because I finished the podium at my first attempt. My second pregnancy was very complicated. So doctor told me it's going to be a C-section. I was ready for the C-section, but the point was how you recover from the second C-section. If you ask ladies, recovering from the first C-section is easier, but recovering from the second, it's very difficult. And the postpartum issues were there. Then I thought, let's quit this job as a software developer. Let's focus on my fitness. If I'm not fit, how I'm going to raise my child? I lost my post pregnancy weight and getting back to the normal shape. Then I thought my husband supported me. If you are too good into fitness, why don't you start this as a profession? Experience was challenging. Yoda race is all about you have to keep on pushing. You can't give up in between. You feel okay. Zone 2 is done, so I can rest and breathe, but you can't. You have to just keep with the same pace, keep on moving throughout. If you give up in between, someone is always there behind you, they'll take over. So it's all about just keep on moving, don't give up. Okay, third zone done, fourth zone done. Keep on moving with a consistent pace. Just don't stop, don't give up. I'm feeling good. Initially, when you start, the body's fresh, you push. But by the time you reach zone 3, zone 4, you started feeling beat the heat. It's very challenging. Keep on running 700 meters. Toughest for me, the wall balls. Towards the end, my quads, my legs almost gave up. The I felt the rowing was the easiest for me because that time body was fresh and your energy were much more compared to the last station. Strategy was just don't stop, keep on moving. No matter it's a sled pull, push, wall balls, which is tough, which is easy. Some stations are easy compared to the other one, but you have to keep on moving throughout the race. Racing, yeah, I'm feeling good. So I came here not to win, just to participate. As I mentioned, this is my first year. I came here just to feel what is Yoda race. I heard about it last year a lot, so this year I thought let's give it a try. What is Yoda race? I dedicate this medal to my two young boys who are at home without me and without their father is out of station. They are managing without both of us and they are not well, so they wanted to come with me, but I said because you're not well and the weather is too hot and I also don't know how it's gonna be. This is my first year, so stay back. Next year I'll take you along. People are very hesitant being a man or a woman to participate in the competition. People maintain means they do their fitness, but they coming outside of their comfort zone. It's very difficult. For me also initially it was difficult, but since I have started participating every year in the competition, for me now so it's very easy. Just go participate, give your max. For all the moments, it's just a initial phase. You have to push. Once you push that limit, there is no hesitation. So you have to just push yourself a little bit more. I know you are doing fitness for your health, for your living quality of life, to take care of your household chores and your kids, your family, but you have to push a little more to come out of your comfort zone. Everyone has their comfort zone. Everyone's the thing is everyone like to live in their comfort zone. So you have to just push a little bit more. Start making a strategy how you gonna attempt the Yoda race. Keep yourself hydrated because it's going to be too hot. Keep on drinking water and don't, no matter what will happen in between, just don't stop. Keep on pushing your limits. Who are you? मैं योधा